is going to be 8 o'clock in the morning, and I am actually going to do a Target run with my best friend. And I'm literally doing my work routine. And then I'm going right after that to JCPenney with my sister-in-law. Yes, I'm wearing a mask in the car. So when people say that they hate when they see people wearing a mask in the car, maybe they don't live with them. But yeah, so I am literally, you guys, my mask routine is like the easiest thing ever. I literally put on mascara on my brows, concealer, highlight, and that is it. It feels so weird without my mask on, but with my mask on, it literally looks like I probably have my face underneath, and that's it. But yeah, this is just simple, easy, go-to look, and my products are also simple and easy and pretty affordable, except my skincare, because it's my skincare. I love my skincare, but I think everything else on my brows is drugstore, and that's only because I usually use Morphe, and today I decided to use Anastasia because I want to finish this guy, which I absolutely love, which is like their pomade in a wand form. I actually like that more than the pomade, but yeah, I need to finish it. And now I'm like looking at myself and I'm like, oh, I think I need a darker shade since I haven't been doing red eyebrows. Okay, so that is done. I do need some eyeliner in my waterline. If I can find some eyeliner. An LA girl that everybody knows I love in all my videos, so there you go. Alright, and literally this part of my face, guys, I only have my Touch of Moisturizer, and I always put a very hydrating primer. It could be the Smashbox one, Oil, the Hydro Grip, the Pretty Fresh one. I just always wear a hydrating primer because that mask gets you so dehydrated. And then I'm going to put on some chapstick, and that's it. I'm only putting this on right now because I still feel kind of wettish. If that makes sense. But yeah, that is it. Let me get dressed because my best friend's like on her way, and she lives like 2 seconds away now, so I gotta hurry up. And I'm not kidding, she lives like less than a minute away. Alright, let's get ready, Priscilla. I'm gonna finish up my coffee. She says she's about to head out, which now I'm like, where's my gum? Because I kind of want to chew a little bit of gum before. Because if you're a coffee drinker with these masks, you straight up smell like a teacher. I can't believe I didn't put away my dishes last night. I'm gonna hate myself when I come back and have to clean. Okay, my coffee should help me survive. I'm gonna take a CBD gummy for my enjoyable anxiety. I also have stress gummies. Maybe I should take a stress gummy instead. I'll take my CBD. I would just take one gummy with me, and in case if I need it, I'll take it. All right, so I'm only gonna vlog on my phone, if any. Yeah, so let me get my life together. All right, I'm back. I feel like me and my best friend were literally like in and out. Let's do this. So we spent a little bit more than we wanted to, but I literally got stocking stuff, and I got some stuff to make some like chocolate balls thingies that you guys been seeing all over TikTok. I waited forever for the molds, which is why it's taken me forever. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out of the bags and clean them, and then I actually have something, a box up front, so I'm gonna go see what that is. I am so excited. I got my Bath and Body Works candles, guys, and I ordered 14 and I already have like 10. I am so happy that this drawer looks like this. This drawer? This is not a drawer. The shelf. All right, I'm actually gonna be 30 years old and I've never ever had a shelf. Oh, on a shelf. So I thought it would be kind of cute to just kind of throw him around the house and like put him where my husband does chores. I thought that would be so cute. So, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Let me quickly show you guys what I got. Honestly, I don't know what the hell I bought because it's like nothing. This bought thingies I was saying, I actually bought some white baking chips. I think the camera's having trouble focusing. And then I also got obviously chocolate. And I got some peppermint, so I could do some like peppermint white chocolate kind of thing. And then I got some cookie dough. Got some hot Italian sausage for sopa toscana because now I want it again. And then I got some holiday decor. It is basically edible glitters, which I thought were going to be so cool and so pretty on top of those balls. Then I got some almond creamer in vanilla ketchup. That is so boring. I got some of these, so when I make coquito, it kind of put it on the top. Thought this was so cute. It's drink what? It's a cup and a straw. And it says so chill, and like these, I might give these out, but I thought they were so cute. Got some pita like, because I always like having some on hand. Got some more carnation milk so that I can make coquito. My mom got me that, I don't know why. And then my mom bought me some stuff to make more ham and rice. You know, mothers feel like they need to constantly buy you stuff like that. And then I got this little cute thing from Target. Life happens when coffee helps. So it's right there in my coffee little section. And then I also got that one that's over there, and it literally says "would eat here again" and 5 stars. Yep, I did that. And then I got some little stocking stuffer stuff. And that's it. What the heck did I spend so much money on? Like, that don't make no sense. That's why I'm like going to Target. Lilia, this is your fault. Absolutely. Her fault entirely. Alright, so for the first thing, he got some new Funkos in. I'm gonna sit on the floor, well, kneel on the floor. So he got some new Funkos in and I kind of threw them there. And I'm gonna kind of place them like if they're actually thrown on the floor. And then I'm gonna put the elf in the middle. And then I made a teeny tiny sign that says Puro pinche desmadre. Something with we're drinking too much. So I'm gonna put that. That's the plan. I'm gonna see his reaction when he sees it. Better. I made him look like he's like falling. I should put a beer. Alright guys, I am finally home and done. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the shower, warm up some leftover chicken fried rice and leftover chicken so that when my husband gets here we can eat. We also, my sister-in-law got me some Antians pretzels, so I'm gonna probably devour one of those, but I need to take a shower because I feel disgusting from being outside. Be right back. Alright guys, so I'm not even gonna lie, it is like 4 o'clock and I'm about to get dinner ready, but after I take a shower, I'm exhausted. If you didn't know, I have social anxiety, so going out to the stores actually takes a lot out of me. Like when I work, it takes a lot out of me. And I'm done for today. Like I'm gonna cook, we'll warm up dinner, and I'm probably just going to play some Sims and chill. I know this vlog is super short. I really had so much longer intentions. I wanted to film my makeup tutorial right now and everything, but no, I can't. Got my Bath and Body Works stuff. I'm so excited. But
yeah, I'm gonna call it a vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.